Hi, Cormac.
Hi, Gina.
Cormac once upon a time asked me,
Well, what are your dreams?
I asked, do you really want to know?
Yes.
My obsession with the Calico critters has waned. However, there was one thing that I do want, which is the hamburger stand.
Gina's white whale.
My white whale. A couple weeks later, you texted me.
Mm-hmm.
You texted me a picture. And you asked, hey, is this the thing that you were talking about? I said, yes, buy it. I will Venmo you money. Cormac got this for me. And now we're going to open it. Why is this great? We're going to find out. Okay.
First off, how many things does it come with?
Cormac and I both work in the toy industry. There needs to be a giant piece count saying, over 1 million pieces.
Yes.
A hamburger in the shape of a rabbit.
Yeah,
a hamburger shaped
rabbit.
of a cat. A hamburger shaped in a bear. And a hamburger shaped in a, what is a bitten?
Is that kitten? Maybe a misprint?
Oh, is it a kitten? It says hamburger bitten. And then we just found out, we're like, oh, is that a weird animal in a foreign language? No. It's a hamburger with a bite in it.
So, there, we're too deep.
Are you?
No.
Okay, here we go. We're doing this together. How to play with a hamburger stand and delivery bike. I don't think I need instructions of how to play with this. Hurry up. Okay. Oh no, don't cut the duck.
Was not hurrying until I was told to hurry up.
You cut the corrugate. Why are there so many wires?
Okay, try now.
I'm too gentle. Hi. You are free. Oh my god, you're so cute. His license plate says burger on it. It says pull up the sign. Click. And then this is the roof. And it comes with tomatoes.
Tomato chairs.
Tomato chairs. This is like great engineering. You take the tomato chairs out. So this is your seating for your customers. The cheese becomes the table. Okay, and then this comes out. This is the where you grill your burgers. But I need poles. Oh, there's a hole here. You go in this way. And then you stick this on top. Okay. His name is Mateo.
Mateo, that's a nice name.
The fryer in the fryer.
Little fat fryer.
So I got my customers. You gotta go to work now, so you need your helmet. No, not your helmet, your hat. I don't wanna scratch the velour. It's a legit problem. Don't laugh.
Why are you laughing? I don't want to scratch the floor. It's a bitten burger.
We're like, is this German for something? This is for the baby. Here, it goes around. Can I please have some fries? I need French fries, sir.
Here you are.
Is it
Fries for
backward?
you.
Your hands look so big.
I know, my hands are huge. There is this little flag.
Oh, that's for when you make the burger.
Oh yes,
There's
there
like
is
a
a
little
burger.
hole. Bun.
Bun.
There's the patty.
One lettuce. Look at the bitten burger. For reference.
Lettuce, the tiny tomato, the bun that goes on
Putting
top.
this burger.
But then, where's the flag? In order to keep it all together, you gotta stick
the toothpick.
a toothpick in between all of it. And then you make your burger. Here's our blended family.
Mm-hmm. Or just best friends.
Or best friends. How cute! And she's gonna go for a ride.
Yes. Right, and you put the delivery.
Oh, that goes in the back.
Yeah, it goes out for
That's
delivery.
your Uber delivery.
Yeah, Uber Eats.
Uber Eats. Okay, bye. There she goes. Once Mateo is done for the day,
So
what happens to him?
everybody goes, time to close up shop.
You don't have to go home, but you can't
Can't
stay
stay
here.
There you go. So, like, where does all the food go when you're packing this up? Does it all go in here? So I guess all the food goes in here.
Let's see.
Does it all fit? Does it all go in here? Now we're trying to figure out how well did they engineer this. That's not gonna fit. Maybe. There's no room for your... Where are you gonna put your money? Okay.
Is the bun top hollow?
It is.
So you could stack stuff?
Here.
Well, no, the chairs go in here like that.
We're gonna need a little Tupperware.
You put the...
Wait, where does this go then?
I don't know. That's a good question.
The money and the trays fit in here. Could you wear the cool? He cannot wear it. He can maybe
Is there
carry it.
instructions? That's what it looks
Here,
like.
you just do that.
Oh, it's no.
Oh, it's the
meant to
wrong
bring it-
one.
There we go.
Oh,
That looks better. Yeah.
Okay, so then there, put your money in there, and then I guess like that. All Cormac's wife Stephanie just brought this to our attention. It tells you how to store the accessories. The funny thing is, Cormac and I, we both work for a company that make instructions.
Yeah, we check instructions.
There's like a little thing here where you stick the sign. Got this part right, with the trays and the cashier. And then all the other accessories fit in here. But where does it say about the tubes?
The posts. Clip
It
somewhere.
goes underneath.
Of course. Okay. Reading is important.
Reading is fundamental.
Reading is fundamental. So this like snaps in place.
How's their engineering now, kids?
Much better.
Amazing. Snap in. There we go. Like this.
Is there a better way for it to
Snap fit.
snap in? This still feels... No, it's good.
It's pretty solid. Okay.
Back in action.
Back in it. Now you're ready. Do. Off you go.
We did it!
I mean, that's adorable. Thank you, Cormac,
Hey.
for bringing me this joy.